NYSE International Day, which was held in October, brought together global business leaders like founders, C-suite executives, top-tier investors, and of course, members of the NYSE community. And one of the leaders was Justin Wong, Chief Financial Officer of Hong Kong-based Epic Group. He told me more about the work that his company is doing and how it's connecting with customers around the world. Let's take a listen.
We have the first experience about how NYSE could also help the company to be able to be listed in the U.S. market, and how the New York Stock Exchange could support us to be able to just raise funding and help us to accelerate maybe our future growth.
We are excited to welcome you here to the New York Stock Exchange, Justin, for International Day. For our viewers who might not be familiar with Epic Group, introduce them to what your company does.
So Epic Group, we started as a textile trading house, and then we are now one of the leading global apparel manufacturers. And we are also supplying to companies all over the world. We are a trusted partner to all these international retailers globally.
Wow. As a global company, how does Epic Group manage your design, product development, supply chain, and manufacturing across regions?
So we are running at an end-to-end integrated model: material development, manufacturing, design, and logistics. So we are just bringing all this under the same roof. And we are also able to just provide lots of value-added services to our customers, and making sure that they are able to just have the comfort of just sourcing from us. And we are also able to help them to just compress all this supply lead time, so that they could also react very quickly to the consumers and the overall retail market.
Customer demands are always changing, evolving. How does your company continue to innovate and create designs that do resonate across different markets?
So we do listen a lot to our customers, because customers, they always have some consistency in terms of the demand. They know the market very well. And in fact, Epic Group, we are also doing a lot of research about the retail market. We also share what we learn from the market, so that we will be able to just collaborate and trying to just work together and trying to see what will be the right product we should develop for the customers. And then we will be able to just make sure to maximize their return by just supplying the right product to the market. So far, I think many of our customers, they have been relying on our support, and we are also having a global footprint, since we do also have our marketing team and the design studios in New York, in the UK, plus Hong Kong. So we are able to give them our advice, what are the products they should be selling into the market. And then with our manufacturing operations across different countries like Bangladesh, India, plus Jordan and Ethiopia. So we have a very good regional coverage with lots of flexibility. And then we are able to just make sure that by just partnering with some other local partners, we are also trying to expand into many other manufacturing locations, so that we will be creating a global network, so that we will be able to just help our customers to be sourced from the right market.
Sustainability is a key topic of importance for companies around the world, including for apparel companies. How is Epic Group working with customers and suppliers to reduce the environmental impact?
So sustainability is embedded into our business model. How we operate, how we collaborate with our suppliers and our customers. So we are always working closely with them to reduce the environmental footprint, and trying to support the responsible manufacturing. So when we are dealing with suppliers and the customers, we are all focusing more on sustainable products. What that means is we have about over 50% of our production. We are using either recycled materials or organic materials, and some eco-friendly dyes as well. And then, we are also investing a lot in the traceability of our raw materials. For example, so most of our customers, they also require we have a full documentation about the origins of our raw material. So that will also support the ethical sourcing globally. And Epic, we are also putting lots of focus on ESG, and we have a very clear roadmap how we are able to achieve all our 2030 net zero goals, which is one of our major targets in the company. So I think over the years, we have been investing a lot in our operations, including, for example, like we have a sustainable and social management system that will also allow us to go down to every single plant level. And we are also able to have some specific plant level, specific goals, making sure that we will be able to just manage to reduce the overall the environmental footprint. For example, like the greenhouse gas emission, water consumption, and we are also trying to avoid using any hazardous chemicals into our entire supply chain. So all this built into our the supply chain model. So we would also like to make sure that whatever we are providing to our customers, it will be sustainable, and our customers, they will be able to rely on us so that we will be able to support their ESG goal going forward as well. So I think over the past year, we have been investing a lot in, for example, solar power, lots of water treatment system to reduce our water consumption, trying to just recycle as much water as we can in our operations. And I think going forward, we are all very interested in looking for any other new technologies that could also bring us in a leading positions in sustainability. So I think what we believe in, whatever we are going to do in our business, that will also be make a big difference to the community we serve.